Oracle iExpense Online Training. Introduction to Oracle iExpense, Overview and Features. Oracle iExpense is a comprehensive expense management solution designed to streamline and automate the process of managing employee expenses within organizations. Here's an overview of its features and capabilities. Expense reporting. Oracle iExpense allows employees to easily enter, submit, and track their expenses online. It supports various expense types such as travel expenses, meals, accommodations, mileage, and more. Integration. It integrates seamlessly with other Oracle applications such as Oracle Payables and Oracle Projects, ensuring consistency and accuracy across financial processes. Policy compliance. The system enforces company expense policies by validating expense entries against predefined rules and policies. This helps in reducing errors and ensuring compliance with organizational guidelines. Approval workflow. Expenses submitted through Oracle iExpense undergo an automated approval process. Approvers can review, approve, reject, or request more information on expense reports directly through the system. Mobile access. It supports mobile access, allowing employees to capture receipts, submit expenses, and check the status of their reports via smartphones or tablets, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Expense analytics. Oracle iExpense provides built-in reporting and analytics capabilities. It offers insights into expense patterns, trends, and exceptions, helping organizations make informed decisions and optimize spending. Multi-currency support. For organizations operating globally, Oracle iExpense supports multiple currencies, ensuring accurate conversion and reimbursement calculations for international expenses. Audit and compliance. The solution includes audit trails and reporting features to facilitate internal and external audits, ensuring transparency and compliance with regulatory requirements. User-friendly interface. The interface of Oracle iExpense is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for employees to navigate, enter expenses, and manage their reimbursement requests. Security. Oracle iExpense incorporates robust security measures to protect sensitive financial data and ensure confidentiality. Key components of Oracle iExpense, modules and functionalities. Oracle iExpense is a module within Oracle's suite of applications designed to streamline the expense reporting and reimbursement process for organizations. Here are the key components and functionalities of Oracle iExpense. Expense entry allows employees to enter their expenses directly into the system. This includes details such as date, category, amount, and purpose of the expense. Receipt capture supports the uploading and attaching of receipts to expense reports for verification and compliance purposes. Approval workflow facilitates the routing of expense reports through predefined approval workflows based on organizational policies. Approvers can review and either approve or reject expense reports. Policy compliance enforces compliance with company expense policies and guidelines, ensuring that submitted expenses adhere to predefined rules and limits. Integration integrates seamlessly with other Oracle modules like Oracle Payables for reimbursement processing and Oracle General Ledger for accounting purposes. Mobile access. provides mobile-friendly interfaces or apps that allow employees to submit expenses and manage reports on the go. Reporting and Analytics offers reporting capabilities to analyze expense data, track spending trends, and generate insights for better financial management. Audit Trails maintains detailed audit trails of expense transactions, approvals, and modifications for compliance and auditing purposes. Multicurrency Support handles expenses in various currencies, accommodating global operations and international travel expenses. User Experience focuses on ease of use and intuitive interfaces to enhance user adoption and efficiency in expense management processes. Integration with Oracle eBusiness Suite, seamless data flow. Integrating with Oracle eBusiness Suite, EBS, for seamless data flow involves several considerations to ensure smooth and efficient communication between systems. Here are some key aspects and steps typically involved in such integrations. Understand integration points. Identify specific modules or data entities in Oracle EBS that need to interact with other systems or applications. Integration methodologies. Choose an integration approach based on your requirements and infrastructure, such as APIs. Oracle EBS provides APIs, application programming interfaces, for various modules. These APIs can be used to extract data from and send data to Oracle EBS. Middleware. Middleware platforms like Oracle SOA Suite, Oracle Integration Cloud, or third-party integration platforms, example MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, can facilitate data exchange and orchestration between Oracle EBS and other applications. Direct database integration. For batch processing or bulk data transfer, direct database integration using SQL queries or database links can be considered. Data mapping and transformation. Ensure that data formats and structures are compatible between Oracle EBS and the integrating system. Data mapping and transformation may be necessary to reconcile differences in data schemas or formats. Security and access control. Implement security measures such as authentication, authorization, and data encryption to protect sensitive information exchanged between systems. Error handling and monitoring. Develop error handling mechanisms to manage exceptions and ensure data integrity. Monitor integration processes to detect issues proactively. Testing and validation. Conduct thorough testing to validate the integration, including functional testing, performance testing, and end-to-end testing to simulate real-world scenarios. Documentation and maintenance. Document integration processes, configurations, and dependencies. Establish a maintenance plan to address updates, patches, and changes in either system that may impact integration. Compliance and governance. Ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and internal governance policies concerning data privacy, security, and auditing. Security features in Oracle iExpense, data protection and access controls. Oracle iExpense, as part of Oracle eBusiness Suite, includes several security features to ensure data protection and access controls. Authentication and authorization. Users authenticate through Oracle eBusiness Suite's authentication mechanisms, which can include single sign-on, SSO, integration and multi-factor authentication, MFA. Authorization ensures that users can only access functionalities and data relevant to their roles. Data encryption. Oracle iXpense supports data encryption both in transit and at rest, ensuring that sensitive information such as financial data and personal details are protected from unauthorized access. Access controls. Role-based access controls, RBAC, are implemented to restrict access to sensitive data and functions based on the user's role within the organization. This ensures that only authorized personnel can perform specific actions. Audit Trail. Oracle eBusiness Suite maintains audit trails of user activities within iXpense, including expense submissions, approvals, and modifications. This helps in monitoring and investigating any suspicious or unauthorized activities. Compliance and governance. The system supports compliance with various regulatory requirements and internal governance policies through configurable controls and reporting capabilities. Secure configuration. Administrators can enforce secure configurations for iXpense components, such as HTTPS for secure communication and strong password policies. Integration security. Secure integration capabilities ensure that data exchanged between iXpense and other systems within the organization, such as ERP modules or external payment gateways, is protected. Customization options in Oracle iXpense, tailoring the solution to organizational requirements. Oracle iXpense offers several customization options to tailor the solution according to organizational requirements. User interface customization. Modify the look and feel of the iXpense interface to match organizational branding or improve user experience. Approval workflow customization. Define and customize approval workflows based on organizational hierarchy, expense types, and approval limits. Expense types and categories. Configure specific expense types and categories relevant to your organization's needs. This customization ensures that employees can accurately categorize their expenses. Integration with ERP systems. Integrate iXpense with Oracle eBusiness Suite or other ERP systems to streamline data flow and ensure consistency in financial transactions. Policy compliance rules. Define and enforce expense policy compliance rules within iXpense to ensure that submitted expenses adhere to organizational guidelines. Reporting and analytics. Customize reporting and analytics features to gain insights into expense trends, budget adherence, and expense management efficiency. Mobile access and usability. Enhance mobile access and usability to allow employees to submit expenses conveniently from their mobile devices, improving efficiency and user satisfaction. Localization and globalization. Adapt iXpense to support multiple languages, currencies, and local regulations if your organization operates internationally. Security and access control. Configure security settings and access controls to protect sensitive expense data and ensure that only authorized personnel can view or modify specific information. Implementation steps, planning, deployment, and migration. Implementing any new system or technology typically involves several key phases: planning, deployment, and migration. Here's a general outline of what each phase involves. Planning phase. Assessment and requirements gathering. Understand the current environment and identify specific needs and goals. Gather requirements from stakeholders and end users. Scope definition. Define the scope of the project, including timelines, budget, and resources required. Create a project plan outlining tasks, responsibilities, and milestones. System design. Design the architecture and infrastructure required for deployment. Consider scalability, security, and integration with existing systems. Risk assessment. Identify potential risks and develop mitigation strategies. Ensure compliance with regulations and organizational policies. Deployment phase. Infrastructure setup. Prepare the necessary hardware, software, and network infrastructure. Install and configure any required dependencies or prerequisites. Testing. Conduct thorough testing of the new system in a controlled environment. Perform integration testing with existing systems to ensure compatibility. Training and documentation. Provide training sessions for users and administrators on the new system. Prepare comprehensive documentation, including user guides and troubleshooting procedures. User interface and experience, navigating Oracle iExpense effectively. Navigating Oracle iExpense effectively involves understanding its user interface and optimizing user experience. Here are some key tips. Dashboard overview. Upon login, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. It typically shows pending expenses, recent transactions, and any notifications. Navigation bar. Use the navigation bar to access different sections like expense reports, receipts, approvals, and preferences. Each section has specific functions related to expense management. Expense reports. Create new expense reports by clicking on the appropriate button or link. Ensure you fill in all required fields accurately, including expense details, amounts, and dates. Receipts. Upload receipts promptly to support your expense claims. Oracle iExpense often allows direct uploads from devices or integration with receipt management tools. Approvals. Monitor the status of your expense reports through the Approvals section. This area shows where reports are in the approval workflow and any actions required from you. Preferences. Customize your settings in the Preferences section. Adjust notification settings, currency preferences, and other personalization options to suit your needs. Help and support. Utilize the help resources provided within Oracle iExpense for guidance on specific tasks or troubleshooting common issues. Mobile access. If available, use the mobile interface for quick expense entry and management on the go. Training and documentation. Refer to training materials or user guides provided by your organization or Oracle for in-depth understanding and best practices. Reporting and analytics. Insights into expense patterns and trends. For insights into expense patterns and trends, you would typically look into tools and platforms that specialize in data analytics and reporting. Here are some steps and considerations. Data collection. Ensure you have a robust system to collect expense data from various sources, such as accounting software, ERP systems like Oracle eBusiness Suite, or dedicated expense management tools. Data integration. Integrate data from different sources into a centralized repository or data warehouse for unified analysis. Analytics tools. Use analytics tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even specialized tools within Oracle eBusiness Suite, if available, to visualize and analyze expense data. Key metrics. Identify key metrics such as total expenses, category-wise spending, variance analysis against budgets, trends over time, and outliers. Trend analysis. Perform trend analysis to identify patterns in spending behavior, seasonality effects, cost-saving opportunities, and areas of potential overspending. Predictive analytics. Consider applying predictive analytics to forecast future expenses based on historical data and external factors. Reporting. Generate regular reports and dashboards that provide stakeholders with actionable insights and recommendations based on the analysis. Data governance. Ensure data quality, security, and compliance with relevant regulations throughout the analytics process. Support and training. Resources available for users and administrators. Support and training resources can vary widely depending on the specific technology or platform you're interested in. Here are some general pointers on where to find support and training resources. Official documentation. Most technology vendors provide comprehensive documentation that covers installation, configuration, troubleshooting, and best practices. This is often available online as well as downloadable PDFs. Knowledge base and forums. Many companies maintain a knowledge base or community forums where users can ask questions, share tips, and learn from each other's experiences. These forums are often moderated by company experts or active community members. Training courses. Vendors often offer formal training courses that can be instructor-led, online or in person, or self-paced. These courses may cover basic to advanced topics and often include hands-on labs. Webinars and online events. Look out for webinars, virtual events, and workshops hosted by the vendor or industry experts. These can be a great way to learn about new features, best practices, and upcoming trends. Support services. Most vendors offer various levels of technical support, ranging from basic email support to premium 24/7 support with guaranteed response times. Make sure you understand what level of support is included with your product or service. User groups. Some technologies have active user groups or meetups in different cities or online. These groups can be valuable for networking, sharing knowledge, and getting help with specific challenges. Certification programs. If you're looking to deepen your expertise, consider vendor-specific certification programs. These typically involve passing exams that validate your skills and knowledge in using their products. Case studies. Successful deployments and outcomes with Oracle iExpense. Oracle iExpense has been successfully deployed in various organizations, providing streamlined expense management solutions. Here are a few case studies showcasing successful deployments and outcomes. Large retail chain. A multinational retail chain implemented Oracle iExpense to automate and standardize their expense reporting process across multiple regions. By integrating iExpense with their existing Oracle eBusiness Suite, they achieved significant reductions in processing time and improved compliance with corporate expense policies. Employees reported increased satisfaction due to faster reimbursements and enhanced visibility into their expense claims. Global technology firm, a leading technology company leveraged Oracle iExpense to replace their manual expense tracking system. With features like mobile expense submission and automated approval workflows, they reduced processing errors and improved the accuracy of financial reporting. The integration with Oracle eBusiness Suite allowed seamless data flow, enhancing their overall financial management capabilities and providing real-time insights into expense patterns. Financial services provider. A financial services provider implemented Oracle iExpense to streamline expense management for their distributed workforce. They customized iExpense to align with industry regulations and internal policies, ensuring compliance and reducing audit risks. The solution's robust reporting and analytics capabilities enabled them to identify cost-saving opportunities and optimize expense allocations across different departments. How does Oracle iExpense streamline expense management processes? Oracle iExpense streamlines expense management processes through several key features. Automation of expense submission. Users can easily enter and submit expense reports directly within Oracle iExpense. The system guides users through expense entry, ensuring all necessary details are captured. Policy enforcement. The system can enforce company expense policies by validating expense entries against predefined rules. This helps ensure compliance with company policies and reduces errors or fraudulent claims. Integration with Oracle eBusiness Suite. Oracle iExpense integrates seamlessly with Oracle eBusiness Suite, allowing for real-time data flow and updates between expense management and other financial modules. This integration eliminates the need for manual data entry and reconciliation. Approval workflows. Expense reports can be routed automatically to designated approvers based on predefined rules or hierarchies. Approvers can review, approve, or reject expense reports within the system, streamlining the approval process. Visibility and reporting. Managers and administrators have access to real-time visibility into expense data, including reports, dashboards, and analytics. This visibility helps in monitoring expense trends, identifying outliers, and making informed decisions. Mobile accessibility. Oracle iExpense is often accessible via mobile devices, allowing users to manage expenses on the go. This enhances convenience and ensures timely submission and approval of expense reports. Audit trail and compliance. The system maintains a comprehensive audit trail of all expense-related activities, from submission to approval and reimbursement. This helps in compliance audits and ensures transparency in expense management practices. How does Oracle iExpense integrate with other Oracle applications? Oracle iExpense integrates seamlessly with other Oracle applications, leveraging Oracle Fusion middleware and Oracle eBusiness Suite's architecture. Here are some key integration points. Oracle eBusiness Suite integration. iExpense is part of Oracle eBusiness Suite, EBS, so it integrates natively with other EBS modules such as General Ledger, GL, Payables, AP, Projects, PA, and Human Resources, HR. This integration ensures that expense data flows smoothly across these modules, facilitating expense reporting, approval workflows, and accounting processes. Oracle Fusion middleware. iExpense can integrate with Oracle Fusion middleware components such as Oracle SOA Suite for process orchestration and integration with external systems. This allows for more extensive customization and integration capabilities, ensuring that iExpense can connect with other enterprise systems and services. Oracle Cloud Applications. For organizations using Oracle Cloud Applications, integration with Oracle iExpense is supported through Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC, and other middleware solutions provided by Oracle Cloud. This allows for hybrid deployment scenarios and seamless data synchronization between cloud and on-premises systems. Mobile integration. Oracle iExpense supports mobile integration, enabling users to submit expenses, capture receipts, and manage approvals via mobile devices. This integration often leverages Oracle Mobile Application Framework, MAF, or Oracle Mobile Cloud Service, MCS, for enhanced user experience and accessibility. Reporting and Analytics. Integration with Oracle by Publisher and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, OB, allows for comprehensive reporting and analytics on expense data captured through iExpense. This integration helps in gaining insights into expense patterns, compliance, and financial planning. How can Oracle iExpense enhance compliance with expense policies and regulations? Oracle iExpense can enhance compliance with expense policies and regulations through several key features and capabilities. Policy enforcement. iExpense allows organizations to define and enforce expense policies electronically. This ensures that all submitted expenses adhere to company policies regarding limits, categories, approval workflows, and documentation requirements. Automated approval workflows. By setting up automated approval workflows based on predefined rules, Oracle iExpense ensures that every expense report goes through the necessary approval hierarchy. This reduces manual intervention, speeds up processing times, and ensures consistency in compliance checks. Real-time visibility. Users and administrators gain real-time visibility into expense submissions, approvals, and policy compliance status. This transparency helps in identifying any non-compliant expenses promptly and taking corrective actions. Audit trail. iExpense maintains a comprehensive audit trail of all expense transactions, including approvals and modifications. This audit trail ensures that all actions taken on expense reports can be traced back, which is essential for compliance audits and investigations. Integration with Oracle eBusiness Suite. Since iExpense integrates seamlessly with Oracle eBusiness Suite, it leverages existing data within the suite for accurate expense reporting. This integration ensures that expense data flows seamlessly across finance and HR systems, maintaining data integrity and accuracy. Policy updates and notifications. iExpense allows administrators to easily update expense policies and communicate these updates to users through notifications. This ensures that users are aware of any changes in policies and can adjust their expense reporting accordingly. Analytics and reporting. The system provides robust reporting and analytics capabilities, allowing organizations to analyze expense data trends, identify potential policy violations, and take proactive measures to enhance compliance. Why choose ProExcellency for Oracle iExpense online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Oracle iExpense online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely offers trainers who are experienced in Oracle iExpense and related Oracle applications. This ensures you receive training from professionals who understand the intricacies of the software. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are likely to cover all aspects of Oracle iExpense, from basic functionalities to advanced features. This ensures that you gain a thorough understanding of the application. Customized learning paths. Depending on your needs, ProExcellency may offer tailored training paths. This can be particularly beneficial if you have specific goals or if you're part of a team with varying levels of expertise. Hands-on training. They may provide hands-on exercises and real-world scenarios to ensure practical understanding and application of Oracle iExpense. This can enhance your learning experience and prepare you for real-world challenges. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of scheduling and location. You can access training sessions from anywhere with an internet connection, making it convenient for busy professionals. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency might offer preparation courses to help you successfully pass Oracle iExpense certification exams. Support and resources. They may provide post-training support, resources, and access to communities or forums where you can continue learning and networking with peers. Thank you.